MeghalayaPost.news.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelang buat senyau balang Dhar ula kentui kinong song ban penne e ke songsuk songsan hapo Kejela da ke baong ba ke Sorkar kan ne e ke badan kam ban penbet ye ke jing e baro haba Kren sekilat patai kubor buat senyau balang Dhar ula ong ba ke jingmi jingkulmar ha ke por baya Rallly arsyaka ke KSU Students Union kalong ke wasngsi berkebomla ban pedang ubas senyau balang ula kerpat ye ke KSU bat kumju ye ki weipat kisang balang bat baro ki pai ba jong Kejela bakin penne ya ke jingsung
Port nó mà nghi lâu bảy hạt đâu được port cái quạ bên cái độ Sorkar cả Plie cái Jingkhang ta theo mà vài lần ula kan menino hamare dep cabinet regarding with the demands 4 or 5 yes government study photo let them come photo no issue on that since the door is open we let us see PTB baka Sorkar jongi ke NP led government bonsen ke Sorkar wi ke balong flexible ba kabam jojet iki he ye han kabam jojet ikir ya baro ni kemen bani dialog bar kinu gi jinya jong state ke jong kawe dai bat ke KSU ni bat ke bagi sang balang ni bat ke bagi stakeholder they are most welcome for talks
hakabai dai baka demand ni na
kan do bon bagi demand bu bu kinu sang hande habaku di ke problem will solve on the table always that is normal process
kita even umpat ini kancing
khoj nya no bi anh ka nang banle ka nang banung kami kay ay baka din banung kam for the security of the people
hindi baki pun kam pakla pulis
ay mamon kam bakla ka anh ka tip ay banle la jong ka
evident iban umpat igen ki kot isu belasan kan
simple nga request e baro kita khot jong ki siu bar kum ju ki bagi samalo tong ni long jai no tong in maintain ke peace and security always ta dai na kaling jong request
kita amban
okay, it will be okay, don't worry. I trust my people, I trust my youth, and I trust all of you. Let us be cool and calm all together so that peace will come in place. You see, there is differences always there. Always there differences. But we can solve it together. No one can do it, but everyone can do it.
So sir, this
so now does Meghalaya government like really trust these kind of any rallies or these kind of by KSU now?
You see, we know very well whatever rally happen, whatever procession happen, always we expect peaceful rally, and especially for this even KSU, so it seems they already give undertakings to this, it will be a peace rally. So yes, very unfortunate. So that's why government will see on this how to tackle this matter.
They said that the agitations, I mean, they will continue these kind of protests.
Don't ask me. I'm not the right person to ask that they'll continue or not.
Sir, as from your level, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of transport, from your level.
The yesterday incident is very unfortunate, which is cannot be tolerated by the government, and especially from my side, from the government, we request peace always. I request the KSU member and all other organizations, and include all the people of the state. Let us maintain peace always. Yes, if there is any issue flags, so the door is open from the government to talk.
KSU has raised 5 demands.
Okay, the demands, we know what it is, so let them come forward, we'll discuss, no issue on that. And CM, even Mawala yesterday, Health Minister after the cabinet, he be very clear. They are most welcome to come forward. Let's see, maybe in a day or two, we will see.
So are you formally calling KSU for talks?
Let's see, CM is on stations, let him come. So I think all these problems we used to face before, so always you are dealing in the right manner only, always.
Why the government delay to call the KSU to talk all
You
this?
see, let us see. The question of delay does not arise, the question is too fast, does not arise, so a time will come.
Sir, we have seen that in
You see, you are all student. What does Newton law motion set? There is reaction for every actions. Therefore, I need to maintain peace. I request all of you to maintain peace.
You said to
under what section has this leader of the KSU was arrested and so far how many FIR?
That Home Minister is the right person to inform you, not me.
Sir, coming to these vehicles who were stopped at the border area, are you intervening? Will you take an action against this?
Government is already on the talk about the government, so Not from my level. It's from CM and home level. They are to discuss with other counterparts about this.
So as Assam Chief Minister, our CM is talking to Assam Chief Minister.
I'm not very sure, but I think they must have talked each other.
Are you also taking it up with the Chief Minister or the...
Chief Minister and Home Minister, we are contacted. They are on the job of to get this thing normalized. Kalau kumni hakatu Jingjia menin te nakaling jongang condemn namar ba kumutu Jingjia ngi kum Sorkar ngi sotunan mi patpau jang siro khamtam hakba sa penjot itu kali motor khamtam gi innocent people jongi katum de grukom mangi kum Meghalaya pitip bonsin kebru gi brom ngi respect ngi kum state ba imda ka jingsuk ka jing borom tengah kerpat nang ni sekmat khamtam ye barok khamtam gi KSU member jongi kena samlagi kin wan dengan mesin berjajai mendai bikin pecongsit yes dan kanu isu kreatif ngi lakhot ngi ke kadawar jong Sorkar ka pli lu barok kajing kan ka pli bai hanong ban behave da katukur kom ban sulek kulmar ban sungat sebab mendai ban ngat kalong is not good at all kalong very unfortunate I apologize khamtam di victim ke ban sutom I apologize with them Handai keling jong kumu nong yalam jong state ngakar pat igi seng halang jong KSU including kiwe semua mahaban wan dan mesin jaya menelai kata kali rally kali production ka jodon gahok handai banikan ni keru isu piti bi Sorkar ka Jingkhang ka peli baik and they are most welcome to the talk no problem with that kata han keling jong le piti bi Meghalaya Post satu ka state ko den buram state ko bi jingsuk daga akor daga buram Banong kebriu kin defining ikum ke state kebegim dek violence ngatrai kam dek basotunan. Kata ni I request peace should be maintained and request even all the other people, all the other innocent people who have met the incidents there. So I would like to apologize. So it should be anything shouldn't happen anymore in the state, especially in Shillong City as well.
MeghalayaPost.news